Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to how do you make your own audio, your audio. You know what I mean? Yeah. Your own ringtone on an iPad. So yeah, yay! So what you're gonna first is to go to YouTube. Yeah, it should be right here. So you're gonna go to YouTube, and you're gonna just choose your video like you want your audio to be. So you just screen record. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. And I'm just gonna quickly screen record this, right? Okay, so sorry, I made a mistake there. So you have to go to audioextractor.net. Don't worry, it will be in the description of my channel. And yeah, it will be there. Don't worry. Okay, then you're gonna go to number one. You're gonna open the video, but before you do that, you're gonna select audio format, iPhone ringtone, open video. Make sure the video is in your full length. So I'm gonna click that. Done. And just wait for it to load. 29.62 MB. Just wait a sec. I'll notify. Okay, so after you finish, it should look like this. So yeah, it should have your name here, and you're gonna now number 3 click on extract audio. Okay, and then click on download. Download again. It should be on this button next to the share button. It should be here. Okay, so now you're gonna click on create song, or you can the plus icon. Okay, audio recorder. You're gonna click that. Okay. Now you're gonna click on this key. Or now you're gonna click on the swirly button, and then you're gonna click on the files. Browse from the files app. Downloaded items. It should be the first one, but it's this one. It should be the date. Okay, it should be the first one. Oh, sorry, right here. And click on that. And you're gonna drag it to the first one. And then you're gonna play it. Yes? Come downstairs. Okay, so now you're going to click on this button, save. And then you're going to wait for it to pop up. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna hold it. And you can rename if you want. I'm just gonna rename it. Soap. And then I'm going to click on share, ringtone, name the song of ringtone, soap, export, should be working. Click alright. Okay, so now you're going to test it out. Go to my scroll line. Okay, here is the song we made. So yay, alright, thank you for watching, bye.